Hi there. So this is what's cooking, and this is about how to make cabbage interesting. You know, cabbage. I don't know about you, but I find cabbage is pretty boring. So this is a red cabbage dish, and it's excellent for Kapha season, which we are just at the end of. And cabbage is quite an astringent vegetable, so what it does is it tightens and draws. So kapha tends to be, if we have too much kapha in our body, which is water and earth, then we tend to retain fluid, or we have extra weight. So cabbage is excellent for this season, which is also damp and wet, kapha season, and cold. So let's see how to make cabbage interesting. So first I sauteed in some organic olive oil, crushed fennel seed, and fresh rosemary, and quite a bit of it. This is just for demonstration here. And so saute that in oil, and then add the finely chopped cabbage and some shallots. So I use shallots, just a small shallot. You can also use onion if you want. It's for extra flavor. So saute those together, and then add some chopped prunes. So you can hardly see them in here because they're so black. There's one there, a little bit. So that's about a third of a cup of chopped prunes. So this is like a sweet sour dish. And then when that's all stirred together, which I haven't done, just for demonstration, I added smoked paprika. Now you can also add bacon cooked on the side if you want, and drained for that smoky flavor. But I have not found a bacon that doesn't have nitrates in it yet, so I just avoid that completely. And then also some chopped apple. You can use any kind of apple you like. And that gets all stirred together. And then that is sauteed for a minute. And then, just a minute, hold on. This is one of the very important ingredients. You would add quite a bit of balsamic vinegar. So that kind of pulls the more sour note again. And then once that is cooked, you have to cook it for about an hour covered. Make sure there's enough liquid. You can add just a touch of water if you need to. And then to pull it all together at the end, you add some butter or ghee. I would always add ghee because it's much more nourishing for the digestive system. So a good, dollop of butter or ghee, that would bring all of the flavors together. So it's such an amazing dish, and I will be sending this out to my mailing list soon. If you want to get this recipe, get on my mailing list. Just go on Instagram, go to my profile, and do any of the free opt-ins that will get you onto my mailing list. And if you're in the Facebook group or in on my business Facebook page, Sandra Beyond RHN, I will put the link to opt in the comments. So get on my mailing list and enjoy this most amazing sweet and sour cabbage dish for springtime. Okay, enjoy, bon appetit.